Alright, so this is problem number 4 for the extra credit of exam 2, and it is problem number 21 from exam 2, and it reads as follows. Find the value of Kc for the reaction at the following concentrations at equilibrium. The concentration of NO2 is equal to 0.35 molar. The concentration of N2O4 is equal to 0.8 molar. And then they give us the reaction going on here. And so what we have to do first to find the equilibrium constant, we have to set up the equilibrium expression for the reaction of N2O4 to N2NO2. And to do that, it is the concentration of the products over the concentration of the reactants, and then we have to remember that we don't include solid states or gas states just because the value that they give is not big enough, like it's not gonna affect our equilibrium constant, therefore we don't have to, we exclude them, we don't include them. So our product is NO2, and it is squared, and that's because of the 2 moles that we have here, and it is over the concentration of N2O4, and N2O4 is just like that. Now we are going to substitute the concentration, the concentration that they give us for each of them. So our equilibrium constant is going to be equal to 0.35 moles for NO2 squared over 0.8 moles of N2O4. And then we just plug that into our calculator, and it gives us about 0.153, and then the closest one that it gets to our answer is A, 0.15. Thank you.